Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best power tool sets available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Dual 20V MAX Power Tool Combo Kit. It is the same with this article on power tool combination sets. In that vein, allow us to introduce to you the boss of all combination kits, the Dual Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit. Don't just take our word for it, kit experts from across the world and current users agree. We appreciate that this cordless device is highly portable and simple to move around. For many years, Dual has been in charge of designing, manufacturing, and distributing high-quality hardware tools that make life simpler and more fun. A cordless drill, a small drill driver, together producing up to 300 watts of power, are included in the Dual Power Tool package. The Dual Max Combo Kit also has a keyless blade clamp for blade changes that don't require the use of a reciprocating shaft or touching blades. Since few other combo kits on the market have this capability, it increases demand for our favorite device. At number 4 is the Porter Cable Combo Kit. Meet the Porter Cable Combo Kit, another incredible tool in our arsenal and one of the must for your workshop and garage. The one and only goal of Porter Cable, a business with various assets, is to provide clients with high-quality, cutting-edge products. We would be awful liars if we claimed that the Porter Cable PCC K6198 had not improved the quality of life for its current users. It gives you every tool required for your application whenever and wherever you need it. The Porter Cable Combo package also comes with a number of additional equipment, such as a drill driver, circular saw, jigsaw, reciprocating saw, oscillating multi-tool, LED flashlight, and grinder for all of your different workshop needs. The fact that these equipment have precise measures and dimensions that are typical of every garage and home will also appeal to you because it will make your job much simpler. The Porter Cable Drill also includes a high-performance motor and a 2-speed gearbox. Top 3 at our list is the Ryobi Paid 184 18V 1 Plus Lithium-Ion Combo Kit. It's the Ryobi Paid 184 Combo Kit, a cutting-edge kit assembled by the best in the business if it wasn't already obvious. Contrary to many other popular kits, this one has less tools, but those that are included are strong and remarkable enough to outclass the thousands of tools that some kits may contain. Additionally, Ryobi created this 6-tool combo kit for use on building sites and in garages. An 18-volt tool chemistry charger and 2 lithium batteries that work well with any machine are included in the power tool set itself. Furthermore, it just takes 30 minutes to charge and recharge a lithium battery. It also has tool weights, some of which include a reciprocating saw, an impact driver, and a circular saw. Moving up at number 12 is the Makita XT335S Combo Kit. Have you ever wondered how Makita became one of the most well-liked brushless motor brands in the world? Given all the hype, we must, too. Due to our extensive analysis of all of their goods since their introduction, we have discovered one key finding. Makita is a brand that is always changing and growing. This business is constantly searching for cutting-edge innovations to promote the brushless motor brand. Along with designers and engineers, their team includes tech aficionados who are aware of the necessity to maintain power tool sets up to date with new concepts and ideas. On that foundation, we offer you the Makita XT3355 Combo Kit, a remarkable product that effortlessly combines quality, stability, and longevity. Overall, this is unquestionably a combo package with a twist. It is constructed by experts with similar viewpoints in order to operate effectively as a brushless motor. And at number 1 is the Black Plus Decker 20V MAX Power Tool Combo Kit. The Black Plus Decker Combo Kit is unquestionably one of our personal favorites. Workshop tinklers also love it. This cordless combo package with 4 fantastic tools for all your applications is DIY worthy. It works well for both big and small projects because it uses a double runtime and uses less energy. We adore that the Black Plus Decker Combo Kit is cordless because it enables simple movement and transfer as needed. The drill/driver is the first tool in this combo package, but it also includes a clutch and an LED system that illuminates your work surface for consistent vision at all times. The next tool is a circular saw, which offers excellent performance thanks to its sharp blade and high-torque engine. The following item on the list, in general, features a great engine and tool-free blade changes. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.